Hello Doctor family, we hope you are well and watching our videos. In this video, we will be showing you the nutritional content and the health benefits of consuming red lettuce. We will follow it up with some beautiful harvest of the season. Carotenoids, anthocyanins and vitamin C are some of the powerful antioxidants that are present in abundance in red lettuce leaf. From simple body inflammations to life-threatening cancers, antioxidants play a vital role in keeping your body healthy and protecting it from the free radicals. Red lettuce leaves may also help to improve your eyesight, your bone health and your heart health as well due to the presence of a few vitamins and minerals in its makeup. It also helps in controlling your blood pressure and weight loss as well. Red lettuce leaves is considered to be more than 95% water, which is incredibly hydrating and thirst quenching. It is also useful to curb hunger by promoting fullness. Let us quickly go through the nutritional content of 3 cups or 85 grams of the red lettuce leaves. Today I am going to harvest my red lettuce. Here you can see I have this red lettuce ready for harvesting. I am not going to use my scissor. Instead, I am going to use my bare hands. Just twist it like that and it's ready for consumption. Red lettuce is a highly nutritious food. It is definitely a crunchy, eye-catching addition to your meal, especially the salad bowl and sandwiches. If you enjoyed our video, then do post your feedback in the comment section and press the circle on your screens to subscribe Doctor Gardening. It's me, Dr. Lee from the team Doctor signing off. Take care.